Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so action mode engages reliably. Make sure your iPhone 16 is updated and battery is above 20%. Unstable power can limit stabilization. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular for any system checks and open the camera app. Now switch to video mode. Action mode is a video feature. You're starting the process correctly so the phone can allocate sensor fusion and gimbal algorithms immediately. Next, enable action mode and tune it for the shot. You'll tap the chevron to reveal hidden controls. This exposes the action mode icon. Tap that icon to activate stabilization. The phone engages higher sampling and sensor fusion to reduce motion blur. Then check resolution and frame rate. Action mode works best at standard 1080p or 4K depending on the movement. If you want consistent results, lock exposure and focus, so the system focuses CPU power on stabilization. Finally, record and verify performance before committing to long takes. You'll hold the iPhone with both hands and tuck your elbows slightly. This reduces high-frequency shake that action mode can struggle with. Once you record a short test clip, play it back and inspect for jitter, rolling exposure, or cropping artifacts because action mode crops the frame to stabilize. If things go wrong, restart the camera app, toggle action mode off and on, and make sure iOS is updated. These steps often resolve sensor or software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.